It's time for Realty Tuesday with Cheryl and Melanie, keeping you informed on all things real estate. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to our first Realty Tuesday. For the month of January, Melanie and I will be chatting about all things interest rates. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about the current trends and what experts are saying for the rest of 2024. But first, I hope everybody had a wonderful New Year's celebration. We had a blast hanging out with friends, watching comedies, playing games, and we did attempt to watch the fireworks live on TV from the Space Needle, but for any of you who also tried to watch that, it was mainly just a smoke cloud. Melanie, how was your New Year's?
Hi, Cheryl. I hope your New Year's Eve was awesome. Ours was great. I'm really excited for 2024. I think there are going to be some great things in store for real estate and for interest rates this year.
I'm so glad to hear that. Yes, I'm also very excited for 2024. If you watched any of my videos last year, you know that we had quite the roller coaster ride with mortgage rates. But it seems like that we have weathered the storm, at least for now. Melanie, can you tell us a little bit more about the current trends and what you're seeing?
The great news is that interest rates now finally seem to be trending in the right direction. After increasing the prime rate 11 straight times in a row, beginning in May of 2022, the Fed's finally decided not to increase interest rates anymore in the last quarter of 2023, which is an indication that inflation maybe hopefully is starting to come under control. And the Fed's indicated that if the economy behaves as expected, they may even start to cut the prime rate next year. Now, while the prime rate does affect all lending rates, it's not a one-to-one correlation with mortgage lending rates. So just the fact that the Feds didn't increase prime rate and indicated that they may start cutting it next year actually improved interest rates for mortgages to improve a little bit just right at the end of 2023.
Yes, the small break in rates that we're experiencing has already created a buzz, I've noticed, with more buyer activity in our local market. And as you mentioned, Melanie, I'm hearing that there's possible multiple reductions coming our way in 2024. Can you tell us a little bit more about that and what you expect?
Interest rates usually adjust up or down in 0.25% increments, so I wouldn't expect mortgage lending rates to come down quickly, and they certainly won't come down as quickly as they went up. I don't think that we'll see interest rates in the 2 or 3% range in the short term, or maybe ever again, really. But the good news is that when prime rate comes down, interest rates on everything come down, including car loans and credit cards and personal loans. And it just will make things more affordable and easier for everyone once we start to see that happen.
While none of us possess a crystal ball, it seems like 2024 is headed into a positive direction. My advice to all of you, if you are looking to buy a home, I would not wait. I would take the leap now, as we could be seeing a frenzy once again. Melanie, would you agree with that?
I absolutely agree with you, Cheryl. The high rates have scared some people and priced other people out of the market. When interest rates come down, more people will qualify, so there will be a bigger pool of buyers competing for the same home. Along with a bigger pool of buyers competing for the same home comes more competition, and it could cause prices to go up. I would say if you are in a position to, you're pre-approved to, you're ready to, and you want to buy a house, and the right house comes along, now is the best time to do it before rates come down and the market heats up and makes it even more difficult.
Thanks so much, Melanie. Well, guys, that's a wrap for now. If you have any questions about buying or selling in 2024, feel free to reach out to us anytime. We're always happy to chat. Next Tuesday, Melanie and I will be going over tips and tricks on how to improve your interest rates. Have a great day, everybody.